G'day and welcome back. So there's less than a minute to go in that eBay auction I videoed yesterday that has the two made in Australia and NZ MMC54 Lotus 16 bodies that admittedly are in poor condition, but it's very difficult to find these cars now, and quite often the only way you can get them is in this condition requiring restoration. So these two would be expensive to fix. I will admit that it would be expensive to repair these two, but the motors probably work. But getting the steering wheel mirror assembly will be expensive, probably looking at $70 to $80 for each one of them, so that's not cheap. So there weren't any more bids. So the successful bidder should be happy that they haven't had to pay any more. So they are in poor condition, but unfortunately most Australian made MMC 54s are in poor condition. They copped the hammering in the last 50 to 60 years of hanging around. So I hope the person that won is able to fix them up if that's what they bought them for. They might have bought the lot for some of the other cars. You never know. Anyway, that was the outcome of that auction, and quite often it's the only way you can get these Triang Scalextric MMC54 Lotus 16 made in Australia and New Zealand cars.